Hello everyone! Are you wondering what ambigender means? Let's explore. Ambigender refers to someone who identifies as both male and female simultaneously. This gender identity allows for the coexistence of both masculine and feminine identities within the same person, blending or balancing the two. Ambigender individuals might feel that they are equally male and female, expressing both genders in their identity and presentation. This identity challenges the notion that one must be either male or female, offering a way to embrace both genders as integral parts of who one is. In essence, being ambigender is about embodying both male and female identities at the same time, recognizing the duality and complexity of one's gender experience. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.